There is widespread destruction and devastation throughout Rolling Fork, Mississippi after Friday night's tornado emergency. Families have been out here on the streets and sidewalks desperately looking for missing loved ones.
Auntie had her in our bedroom, and somehow they got out of the debris.
Reginald Bell says he dropped off his 9-month-old daughter, Illyria, to stay with relatives. The little girl survived the storm, but now Reginald is trying to find the rest of his family.
We still looking, Can't get in.
Roofs have been ripped off of homes, businesses blown apart, cars were flipped over, and some buildings have been leveled. Neighbors and volunteers like Bailey Williams have been going door to door, checking on families and offering help.
There's houses completely demolished, there's businesses demolished. It's pretty much most of the town is unrecognizable right now. So they can take all of the help they can get.
Neighbors and storm chasers have been driving injured tornado survivors to the hospital. The emergency response has been challenging, with so many roads blocked, so much damage, and a lot of trees and power lines down. This community facing a long recovery ahead. In Rolling Fork, Mississippi, for AccuWeather, I'm Bill Wadell.